All right, we're continuing the video. This is part 2. All right, what do we got here? We just opened up a Brilliant Stars pack. Let's see what we got. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oxy. Impidimp. That's a nice looking card. Impidimp. Magnar. That is a beautiful, beautiful card. Rolu. Oh, Emplon. Reverse Hollow. That is a good hit. What do we got next? Nothing. All right, we got one hitter here. We got one hitter. All right. We got a few more packs here to go. Let's do the one with the Charizard on it. Maybe that'll bring us some good luck. We got a Brilliant Stars here. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Wish me luck. Come on. Come on. There's the promo card. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guess that energy. Water type. All right, here we go, guys. I feel this one. I'm feeling good about this one. Fresh Water, Cafe Master, Weasel, Burmy, Staryu, Carablast, Clefairy. It's a nice Clefairy. Cherubi. Ooh, Lucario Reverse Hollow. That's what I'm talking about. And Clefable. Okay. We got a couple of good hits here. A couple of good hits. All right. Coming up next is a Astral Radiance. Let's see what the Poke Gods give me here. All right. Here we go. One, two, three, four. Guess that energy. Fire. Leaf. All right. Let's see what we got, boys. Gold Duck. My boy Grant. Electrode. Magnemite. Routes. I have this card. Sneasel. Barbooch. Oh, that is a good looking card. And Registeel. Reverse Hollow. Nice centering. No whitening. Pretty nice card. Okay. Okay, guys. We're not doing too bad here. We got 4 more to go. Let us see what is next. Okay, here we go, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. What do we got? What do we get? What do we get? What do we get? Let's open this up. All right. Code for y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guess that energy. Leaf. All right. 1, 2. It's a nice looking hunter. Poliwhirl. Metadite. Shalos. Ghastly. Lickly. Okay. Reverse Hollow. And Magarko. Okay, all right, I'll take it. Nothing too crazy there. 3 more packs to go. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. This one won't open. Maybe that's a good sign, huh? Maybe that means we're getting something good in this one. You know what we want? We want that Charizard. We want that Charizard. Now, guys, I also bought a scale, and I'm going to be making videos where I go to Walmart, GameStop, wherever, and I start Leaf Energy, and I start weighing some packs, buying light ones, buying heavy ones, and seeing if we get any differences. Now, obviously, I don't condone this, especially for resale, but it could be fun to learn something new, you know. All right, energy. Overquill, Komodo, Noctowl, Yama, Hoot Hoot, Cricketet, Comey, Switch Cart, and oh, full hollow right here. Now that is a nice looking card. Let's see the back. Not perfect centering, but can't complain. It's the best hit we've gotten thus far. All right, we got two more here, guys. Two more. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. One, two, three, four. Guess that energy. Steel. All right. Here we go. Toolbox. Gloom. That's a pretty looking Gloom. Gloom is one of my favorites because it's from the original 195. Okay, what do we got? Poliwag. Colorless Experiment. Reverse Hollow. And a... what do we got? Oh, Volo Trainer card. Full Image Hollow. That is a nice hit. I will take it. I will take it. Last pack, guys. This is the last one. We got to get something good. We got to get something good here. We got a Fusion Strike. Mew on the cover. That's got to be a sign, right? Anytime you have Mew on there, it's got to bring you luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Water Energy. Psychic Energy. Okay, here we go. Last pack, guys. Last one. I think I saw a Trainer in the back. I hope that's not the case. I have this in a hollow. This is a nice looking card. Oh, haven't gotten this one before. Pulse. Plusle. Morpeko. Shelmet. Trainer Battle VIP Pass. And oh, Toxtricity Hollow. This is the first card we've gotten that's not a reverse hollow. All right, I will take it, guys. Not too bad. I have ordered a bunch more cards on GameStop. I've never ordered cards online before. This will be the first time. We'll see how we do. If there's any bangers in the online shopping world. If not, then we know the cards are weighted and they give us the crap. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more. We're going to be doing a bunch more bangers. And yeah, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out to my Poke Clan.